before we started the podcast last week, we had our meeting, is read. Read is one of the things that you want to mention, because sometimes I know it from myself, like when I was a student, there was an error on MATLAB and I thought, okay, maybe I ask someone else, but it's actually written in the, like on the screen, basically. This is error in line so and so, and then you can basically read and find the error yourself, right?
Exactly. So there are a lot of material already out there, and that's why it's good to read, especially if you get an error on OpenFOAM. So an error does not always mean I'm lost and it's just hieroglyphs or something I don't understand, because sometimes there's one line or two lines which directly state what is wrong. And then there is like a combination of something very strange, like these C++ errors. And if there is standing, cannot find file in folder, so cannot find file T in folder 0, then it's clear that you don't have the file T in the 0 folder. Or sometimes there are keywords missing if you use boundary conditions, or for example, if you use the linear upwind scheme in OpenFOAM, then you have to specify the gradient of u at the end. So sometimes you specify some keywords and there is something missing, but OpenFOAM will actually give you something. Not always, but in the most times. And if you never read these messages, you will never get familiar with this. And then you always see error, stupid OpenFOAM can do nothing and is terrible. So my advice is also reading the error messages you get. And besides of that, reading the material we have already out there in the community.